talking about big data, one thing really matters most: speed. Today, we're diving into a real powerhouse in the Microsoft Azure world, Azure Synapse Analytics. We're going to zero in on one specific feature that's totally changing how businesses get insights from just massive amounts of information. So let's jump right in. Okay, so picture this. Your business is collecting terabytes, maybe even petabytes of data. You just know there are golden nuggets of insight buried in there, but running a complex query to find them takes, well, hours. Or, let's be real, maybe even days. It's a super common bottleneck, and it just grinds decision-making to a halt. But what if you could completely change that timeline?
Yep, you heard me. Not hours, not minutes, seconds. That is the promise of the technology we're digging into today. And believe me, it is a total game changer for anyone who needs to understand big data and understand it fast.
And that really gets to the heart of the whole modern big data challenge, right? We've all gotten so good at collecting mountains of data from all over the place, but the real struggle is analyzing it quickly enough to matter. The sheer volume is just too big for a lot of traditional systems to keep up with, and that leaves all those valuable insights just locked away. This is where our hero enters the story. So let's talk about the tool designed to solve this exact problem: the dedicated SQL pool in Azure Synapse. So what is this thing really? Well, at its core, a dedicated SQL pool is basically a collection of super powerful analytic resources that you provision or set aside inside Azure Synapse. Think of it less like your standard family car engine and more like a Formula One engine that's been precision built for just one thing: high-performance data analysis on a massive enterprise scale. Now, a quick heads up here. For those of you who've been around the Azure block for a while, you might know this feature by its old name: SQL Data Warehouse, or just SQL DW. Don't worry, it's the exact same powerful technology. It just got a new name as part of the bigger Azure Synapse Analytics service. And how do you measure the oomph of this engine? It's scaled using something called data warehousing units, or DWUs. Honestly, the easiest way to think about it is like horsepower for your data. The more DWs you give it, the faster and more powerfully it can chew through your queries. Okay, so to really get why this is so powerful, we need to see where it fits into the grand scheme of things. So let's follow the data on its journey through a modern cloud solution. So it all starts with ingestion. That's just pulling in data from all your different sources. Next, that raw data needs to be prepped, which is where big data tools like Hadoop and Spark come in to clean it and structure it. And then, here comes the magic link. A technology called PolyBase uses standard SQL queries to efficiently move that prepared data right into your dedicated SQL pool. And once it's there, bam, you're ready to run your high-performance analytics at a scale you couldn't before. But how? How does it actually do that? How does it turn days of waiting into just seconds? Well, this is where it gets really, really cool. See, the secret isn't just about throwing more processing power at the problem. No, as the source material says, the real magic, it's all in how the data is stored. The secret sauce here is something called columnar storage. Okay, imagine a giant spreadsheet. A traditional database reads it row by row, left to right, line by line, super inefficient if you only care about one thing. Columnar storage, though, it flips that on its head. It reads column by column, top to bottom. So if you only need to analyze total sales, guess what? It just grabs that column. That's it. This simple, genius shift, it's what makes everything faster and, by the way, cheaper on storage too. And this right here, this shows you the insane difference it makes. You're going from waiting hours, maybe even days, for a complex analysis to come back, to getting your answers back in seconds or minutes. That's the power we're talking about. It's a night and day difference. So all this speed, all this power, what's the end game? What's the real business payoff? It's all about creating something that every data-driven organization desperately needs: a single, reliable source of truth. By bringing all your data together and analyzing it in one place, the dedicated SQL pool becomes, and I quote, the single version of truth your business can count on for faster and more robust insights. This isn't just about speed anymore, right? It's about confidence. It's about trust in your data. And you know who that really helps? It empowers the actual people on the ground. The business analysts, the decision makers, they can finally stop just wrestling with data and start getting real, deep insights that lead to way smarter, well-informed business decisions. So let's bring it all home. When you put all these pieces together, the dedicated SQL pool isn't just another database. It's your analytics superpower. So what does this superpower give you? You get massive scale, you can crunch huge data sets. You get that incredible speed, insights in seconds, not hours. You get cost efficiency, thank you, columnar storage. And most importantly, you get that unified, single source of truth for reliable decisions. And it all plays nicely with the tools you're probably already using, like Spark and Hadoop. And that really brings us to the final thought here. This stuff isn't just about cool tech, it's about what you can do with it. So I'll leave you with this question to chew on. If you could get answers from your data, not in days, but in seconds, what new questions would you start asking? What kind of decisions could you finally make?